Today I will tell you how to make a bootable Pendrive. Okay, so let's start. First, search Rufus, then go to the official site of Rufus and download the 3.11 Rufus software. Okay, so to make a bootable Pendrive, we require Rufus software. So it is just for making a bootable Pendrive software. And for downloading the ISO operating system, you can go simply to Windows Microsoft site, or you can download by torrent also. I have downloaded already ISO file for bootable Pendrive. Okay, so depends on which ISO you want, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you can download the ISO. So I have Kali Linux and Windows 10. Okay, so I will choose Windows operating system, okay, as a bootable Pendrive. Now I will select Windows 10 operating system. Okay, so here you have disk or ISO. Okay, then go to the path in which you have ISO file. Okay, so I have choose the Windows 10. Okay, now you can see there is a standard Windows installation. Okay, and the partition is CPT, GPT or MBR. Okay, so you can check your whether which Windows previously you have installed. Okay, I will choose MDR because I have previously chosen MDR. So when formatting the Windows 10, okay, I don't have to format the whole system. I have to just if I have to make the format, I have to just format the C drive, not the whole disk. Okay, so here in properties you can check which partition style you have, MBR, master boot restore. Okay, so I will choose again this only. So instead of partitioning the whole instead of formatting the whole disk, I will only format the C drive. Okay, so now we will change the Windows name. Okay, so you can put any of your windows, so you can write here anything, it will be considered your pen drive name. Now I will just simply push start. Okay, it will format the pen drive. Make sure the pen drive is blank and have at least 8 GB of space. The pen drive should be more than 8 GB or 8 GB. So it will take some time, at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I have forwarded the video so that you So you can install any operating system like install any system like Kali Linux, Windows, Ubuntu, and make a pendrive, bootable pendrive in the same manner. As you can see, the installation is been ready. You can see the copying ISO file bootable pendrive has been ready. Okay, so we will close the program. And check whether the files are present or not. Windows, yeah, it is present. The Windows, eject it. So I will eject the pen drive. So we have made a no. So it has auto run. We have made a bootable pen drive.